Hi, my name is Folushoda Christopher, a participant of MMM Nigeria, and I am here today to discuss with us the ideology of MMM, how it works, the rules and the benefits of MMM. But before I proceed, I would like to discuss with us the concept of money. Money can be defined as a means of payment for goods and services, or as a repayment of debt. We all need money before we can do anything. We all depend on money to solve all our problems, and we all believe that money is the solution to everything. But as true as this can be, haven't we enslaved ourselves in the name of looking for money? Many people will say money is the measure of labor. But let me ask you this. If money should be the measure of labor, don't you think that laborers should be the richest people on earth? But as you can see, the reverse is the case. Now, what is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. In other words, it's a community where participants transfer donations to themselves directly without any intermediary. Which means MMM does not have any central account where people send their money to first before it's being sent to the recipient. The main reason why MMM was created was to fight the unfair financial system of the world where the rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer, thereby making everyone to be financially free. How does MMM work? MMM is not a bank. It's not a business, a company, nor an investment. It's a platform which allows our participants to provide help to one another on the principle of benevolence. No one is compelled to bring a certain amount of money or pledge their properties. It is not a credit or a loan investment, but rather a platform where one needs help and another provides help. Anytime a participant of MMM pledges to provide help out of his spare money, he is matched with another member who needs help that is equivalent to the money he has pledged, and he will be given ultimatum to donate the money or else he will be blocked from the system. After he had done this, he will be given the same amount he had pledged in Mavro in his personal office, and the Mavro will have a 1% growth daily until 30 days when he also gets help, which means he would have gotten 30% on his Mavro before he gets help. The rules of MMM. Number 1. Having more than one account is not allowed. Giving fake details about yourself is also a crime. Thirdly, abusing the system and queue by promising to provide help without having spare money is also a sin. And every member must understand the ideology of MMM, that it is a way of achieving financial freedom and not a money-making platform. What are the benefits of MMM? Firstly, no one will tell you to pay any registration fee for joining MMM. Rather, you'll be appreciated and compensated for joining the community if you donate up to 15,000 naira for the first time. Secondly, your generosity or donation to another member will be rewarded with 30% of the money you used to provide help, or the money you donated, by the end of the month. If you had kept your money in the bank, you can't get such reward. Also, you get 10% referral bonus on every member you invite to the community. And if you are a guider or a manager, you get 5%, 3%, 1%, etc. from the downlines of your downlines, respectively. These and many more are the benefits of MMM. So what are you still waiting for? Be a part of the MMM community, and together we can change the world. Thank you very much for your time, and God bless.